nhất xa sự hơi chính em mà đem cái chính nhập
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ
bác có bài bên nghe nơi thì bro chính em nhìn hấp sinh nhau cái tay pop bật cầm vào bài chung
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Omrupa Premium Meghalaya
Uradba jong kaseng Kongres ha Assam ubala don bat kaseng Kongres la pala laipus nem karta bat ubala batru kum u Presiden jong ka Assam Pradesh Congress Committee nadu usnem arajar arpwe hadu arajar arpsau u Bhupen Bora ula resign no na kaseng Kongres bat un penyeso no yaladi bat kaseng BJP U Menteri Rangba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma ula penbena ba ka BJP kan pediang borom ya u ha ka arpo arterik u rempang arjar penrio u Himanta ula penbena ba ringkat bat u Bhupen Bora kin don shibun kiwei pat kin nongyelam jong ka seng Kongres ki bandrung sya ka BJP U Himanta ula itu bau Presiden Rangba ka BJP u Nitin Nabin ula menjur ban pediang yo Bhupen Bora syaka BJP bat on pediang yo ha ringkat ka jingle buram ka bakrau namar ba ude nongyelam ubala paubha ha Assam. Shwaban penbana yakani Marsin yo yaka khubor bau Bhupen Bora ula resign na kaseng Kongres. U Himanta ula lecha yengsa jong u ha Guwahati bat kalok ringkar ki khun jong u kila pediang buram ya u Himanta. U Himanta ula penmanaru bakaseng BJP kan ai tiket bat kan peni khun election ya Bhupen Bora na ka constituency ka basuk tam ya ka BJP bakan job. Namar ba ka BJP ka kwabu un job. Kanang bakan mentoy bat pensok ya ka sorkar lada ka BJP ka yobyang ya ka lat bantau sorkar. Nambar ba ude ubrio ubala don ka jing shampang bat ude u MLA barim ubala job arsin kenti.
I came to meet the former president of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee as well as the chairman of Congress Campaign Committee, Sri Bhupen Bora, who happened to be my former colleague. We worked in the Congress together for almost 22 years. In fact, we joined together in the Congress party. I left little early. He is leaving Congress he has left Congress already. He will join BJP on 22nd February. Our party president, Sri Dilip Soikia, will work out the details. Along with him, a good number of Congress leaders will join in Guwahati as well as in North Lakhimpur. His joining will obviously strengthen the party. As I told in the morning, I think he is the last recognized Hindu leader in the Congress party. So we are very happy to have him in our party. Our national president Sri Nitin Nabin has already approved his joining. Rather, he welcomed him. He has already he conveyed my when I talked to him, he has given his approval too. And Bhupen Bora will be given all sort of respect, dignity, and will always respect his stature. And BJP, joining BJP will be like for him it will be a homecoming, because it is almost a party with lot of people like us who doesn't have any, whose fathers are not occupied any high offices. So this is a party of simple people from simple family. I think he will enjoy his new family very much.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! gorgeous. Let's go.
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.